Hello and welcome back to my channel. This will be just a short update on the 56 Chevy from upside down from REVELL that I'm building a Gasser out of. I've got a lot done on it, mocked up. Most of the chassis is painted, and I'll bring you down. I'll show you what engine that was voted in, and what colors it'll be painted. Okay. All right.
Hold on, Pickles.
This is so fast. Woohoo! Whoop whoop!
Hang on tight, everyone. Hold on, Pickles. We're popping the whistle. This is awesome.
Okay, sorry for the shaky video. The engine that won the vote is the Iceman 572 with the tunnel ram. The other two, the Hemi came in second, and then the 572 with the injection came in third. So that's what's going in here. This is the engine I actually wanted. Here the engine is pretty well mocked up. Here's the stance. Let me get the camera right. It's got a couple coats of white primer on it by Kaleido. I've never used white primer before, but since I've used it now, I like it. I'll be using it for light color vehicles. Like I said, this is just a mock-up. It's not all together. Here's the paint here. The orange is Lustrous Orange K305. And what I'm using for the cream color is actually a Flesh White K034. I think they go good together. And when you see a picture of the one I'm trying to build similar to, you'll see why. The orange will be this part, and the hood. And the white creamy color will be the roof and this section back. Let's see here. Like I said, it's just a mock-up. We take the grill off. I'm going to sit the camera down for a moment. I'm going to take the body off. Okay, body is off. Let me show you what I've done to the chassis so far. It's an MCV straight front axle. I did chrome plate it with Fusion Firm. This is basically a show car more than a race car. Also, the ladder bars are from MCV. They're also chrome plated. This is not the color I was going to paint the chassis with, but I was doing a set of headers with this stainless steel, and I had a little bit left in the airbrush, so I did the front of the chassis with it, and I liked it. So I put a little more in. I did the whole chassis. Goes on real nice. I'm in the middle of making a mount for the transmission. I'm thinking about putting a full exhaust system on it. Not sure yet. But let me turn it over. And that's basically an update on the 56 Chevy. It's coming out good. And the headers I'm going to be using on it are these right here. which I chrome plated. A lot of these parts are in white primer right now. All right, I'm gonna put you back up on the stand and we'll finish up on this little video. All right, so that is the update on the 56 Chevy. And I'll be starting another build. I'm just waiting for some parts and some decals to come in before I unbox it. I want to make sure I can get the decals that I want to use. And I'm sure you saw the Chevelle back there. I'll be just waiting for some parts on that to come in. And I'll have that finished up also. And until then, I'm going to say peace. Take care. I love all you guys. Don't mind my voice. And I'm up to 905 subscribers, which is, I'm totally amazed. Once I get to 1,000, I'm going to have a giveaway. I'm not sure how I'm going to give it away yet, but it'll be a substantial giveaway, just under appreciation for everybody out there that's watching my videos. But until then, take care, and I'm out.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.
They forgot about the time when they were young, about the things they did and the songs they sung. But now we got some both young and old, mama. That's rock and roll. Oh, rock it now, yeah.